The number of children dying after accidentally swallowing a drug has nearly doubled nationwide.
This is according to the latest annual report on pediatric poisonings. 19 investigator Gabby Hart joins us from the newsroom now with a look at those numbers. Gabby.
Yeah, it's really alarming. The loss of a child to accidental poisoning is heartbreaking, and it's now happening more often, especially when it comes to prescription and over-the-counter medications and illegal drugs. Here's what we learned from this report. According to this new report from the Consumer Product Safety Commission, the number of children under the age of 5 who died from accidental poisonings has nearly doubled. From 59 deaths in 2021, jumping to 98 deaths in 2022. That is the highest number on record since the 70s. Now, while some of those deaths were linked to common household items like laundry packets and cleaning products, the CPSC says that the surge was mostly due to little kids ingesting narcotics and psychedelic drugs. Now, in my full report tonight at 6, an emergency room doctor from Rainbow Babies and Children's Hospital is going to weigh in on what she's seeing on the front lines. But this is an important reminder for people with young children at home to stay vigilant. Brian, Nikki.